on the Expound. So are you really want to earn money just like scrolling or whatever it is, just like watching videos or something without doing hard work, I can say, then I think you have come to the right place. In today's video I am going to be telling you about that app which will make you do all these things and which you can make money more in a easy way. So first, the app name is Cash App. So basically, let me tell you the story why I actually took this topic. So I was researching about how to earn money online through apps, okay. Then I actually got the most searched result was how to earn money through Cash App. So I was like, okay, it is most searched, so let me just take it and make a video on that. Then what happens is I literally took all the information from about Cash App, like how it is done, what is the process, and everything is done. But after some time, after preparing everything, I just came to know that that app is not available in India. I know, right? I know the struggles of writing all those things, and then suddenly you feel like, okay, that is not there in your country. So I just felt, okay, fine, it is just a waste of time. Then I researched more about that. Then I came to know that there is an app which is present in India. That is, it is an Indian app called Cash App. So there is two applications in the name of Cash App. So we can say that this Cash App is not at all available internationally, but only within the country you can use. So there are two Cash App, as I've told you. One is this and another is this one. So in this one, I will just tell you in the beginning, here is the one which will work for us. This is the one which will work in our country. And here basically what happens is that you just have to download the app and then you will be asked some of the referral code. I have given that in the description. Just enter the referral code and then log in. From that home page, you will get some of the things written as dollar in the right, and you will be having lots of notification in the home page. So let me tell you what those notifications are. See, as I've already mentioned about one of the app called Rozdan, which I have mentioned about it in my previous video, where I will be telling you about number of top applications where you can earn money, that is Indian apps. So that one, if you check, this Rozdan is basically a simple concept. I can say this Rozdan and Cash App, which is an Indian app, that is actually related. So first thing you have to do is that the notification which is present, you just have to check all the notifications. So what you have to do is that you just have to complete certain tasks. So there will be a task lined up for you. So you have to get inside and then you have to complete all the tasks. That is just simple thing. The thing will be like you have to enter your personal information, and you'll be asking some quiz questions. And also the another thing where you can actually earn is you can share that link, the app link, to other person. So when that person is downloading the app, you get extra credits. So basically you earn money through credits. So whatever things I have told you, it is survey or it can be sharing the app's link, and sharing some of the videos, watching the advertisement which is coming there. And also there are so many things. And also you can, if you check in daily in the app, if you enter the app and then if you check in there, you will actually get credit points. So this is an app where you cannot earn money so easily. So you have to wait for it. You have to actually arrange some of the credit points. It will obviously take time. So I actually tried Rozdan. So what happened is that I actually got 50 rupees in the beginning of the time when I downloaded it. Now the rest of the money, that is if you actually make 200 rupees, then only you are able to withdraw that money. So I actually waited so much time till I reached 200, but till the time I could not complete, because I don't have that patience in me so that I can complete all the surveys, I can do all the tasks which is given, and then to earn money. So I was so excited because the first 50 rupees just came like that because I installed the app. I'm talking about Rozdan. So what happened was I got 50 rupees, then I was like, okay, just 150 rupees I can just complete it easily. But that actually increased in 0.5, 0.10, like that kind of thing. So if you actually need a patient, then only you can actually earn money in these type of apps. And also, as I've told you, in Rozdan you can actually withdraw only if you have 200, if you have made 200 rupees. Similarly, in this Cash App also you can do it if you made $5. So actually you can withdraw the money within 3 business days. So I think this is the best app for you, which you can earn money without doing nothing, without just sitting at home. And also people will ask me after this watching this video that some people only watching, but they will also ask that have you tried this method and have this happened to you. See, basically whatever things I'm telling you right now, it does not mean that I have to try everything. If I'm trying everything which I'm telling you, then I don't know, I would become billionaire right now. So I actually don't try those things, but I actually tell these things because these are scientific, these are actually proven. People have been doing this for a long time and people have experienced it. People have been earning money through this. So with that proof only, I am actually telling you all this. It does not mean that I have to do or I have to try searching or using these all apps or whatever things I am telling you in this channel. The another app which I told you, the another cash app which is used in US and UK, that is also only not internationally used, I can say. So I can say that cash app is just like bank, where you can withdraw money, you can actually put money, you can do a lot of stuff. And the main thing is that you can actually get a debit card for the cash app. Just like we are getting State Bank a debit card just from State Bank, we can actually get a debit card, and also you can create that debit card. So whichever color you want, you can make whatever stickers you want to put, whatever signature you can put it. Actually the card will come to you after 10 days. So in this app, all you can do is that you can actually put money and you can withdraw the money also. It is basically a payment app, you can say a person to person payment app. You have to attach the working bank account. So the bank account you will be having a bank account, so you have to attach that bank account with the cash app. And also you can add funds to your application with using your card, whichever card you have connected with the State Bank and the debit card of that cash app. You can actually transfer funds, and also you will see a home screen which is green in color. The keyboard will be there, keypad will be there. You have to type whatever amount you want to send or receive, and then you have to click the button send or receive whatever things you want to do. And also while transferring the amount, I have to tell you that you have to enter it properly, because unless bank normal State Bank, you can, if something went wrong, you can actually get that amount back, right? If I'm not wrong, then in this case it's not like that, because once you entered, you might not be able to get it back. So in this video, I just want to tell mainly about the cash app which you can earn money. And also if you actually go to the hot page in that app, you can actually get more credits, just like $5 credits, such as like that will be converted into, the credits will be converted in dollars, and dollars will be converted into your PayPal account, and you can actually withdraw from that. So I just want to tell you this in the video. I actually thought something else and I took this topic, but that actually turned out to be something else. So thank you so much for watching. If you came till the end of the video, tell me how you felt about this video, how you are expecting my video to be, because I can't guess what you are expecting from me, right? So if you want from me something else, then you can mention it down, so that I will be trying to make videos according to your type of thing, because I am doing the thing which I know, but I don't know what you are expecting from me, right? So this is what I want to tell you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share this video with someone, and watch my previous video also, where I have told about many such apps where you can earn money just by sitting at home. And also it will happen only if you try, okay? It won't come just like downloading the app and watching my videos. It will never come. You have to have patience, you have to have much time you have to spend there, and then only you can actually earn money from these apps. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me about this video in the comment section. Share this video with some people, and until the next video, bye.